Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. Today, I'm going to show you a very quick recipe. If you followed my Mornay sauce or bechamel sauce before, it's going to be even easier for you. I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful little appetizer, canapé, or finger food, cocktail party food item, just for Christmas and New Year's or any different catering. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and nice prawn vol au vent. So let's get cooking. But before we go, make sure you subscribe, you change your notification bell setting, and under this video in the show more description you will have the entire recipe and the link to my website to go and check it out. So see you after this. So as I mentioned earlier, this is quite an easy way to have a nice little hors d'oeuvre or canapé or petit four for your Christmas party or any events or party. So here what I've got, it's a little vol au vent shell. You can find them in most of the shops and bakery nowadays. So very easy to use, they're already made for you, you don't have to bother. And remember the recipe of my Mornay sauce. So here we are. Just going to put a little bit of half a spoon of the Mornay sauce in each vol au vent. And here with my prawns, because they're quite large, I can cut them in half. So that's the prawn I pre-cooked a little bit earlier. And cool down. And just simply pop the prawn into the vol au vent, just like that. You can prepare that in advance and have your oven ready on the go when your guests arrive, and just reheat them at about 180 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here we are, prawn vol au vent and dill on Mornay sauce.